We're joined again by Chief Meteorologist Mallory Schnell, and it's been a rainy week, and we're finally starting to see some of those tolls being taken on some of our waterways.
Right, and this is going to be something that we have to continue to monitor throughout the week, especially in Indiana. What you're looking at here, this may look similar to what we were seeing last year. We showed a lot of these graphs. They're called hydrographs, and they give you what the current river level is and then the forecast over the next couple of days. So this is the East Fork White River near Seymour up in Indiana. And as you can tell right now, it's already at minor flood stage. It's expected to reach moderate flood stage over the coming days before it does finally recede. So this is that flood warning that's in effect. You can see that on your screen right now, really until further notice. That's why the end time always seems so bizarre. It says 10:51 p.m. Saturday, but really they keep these flood warnings in place until the waters do recede below flood stage. But only time will tell. I'm expecting more of these, especially for our Indiana rivers, as we carry on into late week, into this weekend, with even more rain on the way next week. This is a part of the larger flood watch that's in effect until 1 p.m. on Thursday, and this has more to do, I would say, with flash flooding threats. So the flood warning you just saw, that was for rivers. We get those for rivers and streams, and they're prolonged for a few days until those waters recede. This flood watch through midday Thursday is more so for the impacts that we can see on the roadways, any kind of flash flooding potential. So this is in effect for areas primarily north of the Ohio River here, because just take a look at the last 24 hours. You can tell where the heaviest rainfall has been. If I put 48 hours, these totals would really double across Indianapolis, central Indiana, over into western Ohio, portions of Illinois as well. And then there's a really steep drop off for our southernmost counties along and south of the parkways. Those areas have been fairly dry with some of these passing showers and thunderstorms. And if we take you through even just the first half of the day tomorrow, you can tell where more of this rain overnight is going to want to set up before this does fill into the south and southeast throughout the course of the day tomorrow. But still, heaviest amounts have continued to trend north of the Ohio River. Our rain chances for the next 5 days, high tomorrow and high on Saturday. We're expecting lower rain chances Friday, Sunday, and Monday if you're wanting to plan something outdoors. Your hour-by-hour futurecast through tonight, scattered activity on the radar, primarily in southern Indiana, Kentucky getting a break, and then here comes another wave of rainfall just in time for the morning commute in Indiana. We'll see just how far south it gets over the river here, could impact the Louisville metro area. And at this point, we're expecting showers with a few embedded thunderstorms. We don't have a big severe weather threat tomorrow. Heavy rainfall still is the main concern. That becomes spottier during the afternoon and evening hours. And then for Friday, we could have a little bit of activity early, but that's trending even drier as we soar into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. Then that next wave of rainfall rolls in on Saturday before we finally enjoy some drier time once again Sunday and into most of Monday. So your 7-day forecast here, temperatures remain well above average, 60s, 70s, and even 80 degrees possible on Friday. A reminder that we do spring forward Saturday night into Sunday morning.